Welcome to the tutorial. Today, we're building a Python countdown timer. We'll start by adding a comment header and importing time to pause our program, and OS to clear the terminal screen. To make our timer look clean, we'll clear the console each second. This small helper function checks if you're on Windows NT or a Unix-like system clear and uses the appropriate command. Next, we need to ask the user how long they want the timer to run. We use the input function to get their response as a string, which we'll process shortly. It's important to validate user input. We'll try to convert the string to an integer, catching a value error if it's not a number, and ensuring the duration is positive. If input is bad, we'll exit cleanly. Now, let's create the main countdown function that will handle the timer logic. It takes the total seconds as an argument and initializes remaining underscore time for our loop. Our timer needs to count down second by second. We'll use a while loop that continues as long as remaining underscore time is greater than 0. Inside the loop, divmod efficiently calculates both minutes and seconds from the remaining time. To make the display look nice, we format minutes and seconds with leading zeros using an F string. Then, we clear the console and print the updated timer string, giving it that dynamic, ticking effect. After displaying the time, we decrement remaining underscore time by 1 second. Crucially, time.sleep1 pauses the program for exactly 1 second, so the timer updates in real time. Once the while loop finishes and remaining underscore time reaches 0, our timer has completed. We'll then print a clear message letting the user know that the countdown is over. Finally, outside of our function, we call countdown and pass in the total underscore seconds value we got from the user earlier. This starts our timer. And that's it. Your countdown timer is complete. To run it, save the file as countdown_timer.py and execute it from your terminal. Thanks for coding along.